Hey everyone, welcome back. Quick follow-up video. One of my viewers asked to see the probe cal signal on the Agilent 54624A scope. They said it looked like their signals were noisy, so they wanted to see what mine looked like. So here is the probe cal signal. This is on my, what is this? This is a 200 megahertz probe. Just did an auto scale on the signal, and you can see it looks pretty clean. Let me go here. We want to zoom in a lot. If I just take the channel and just set it to ground, you can see it looks nice and clean. This is at 1 volt per division, 500, 200, 100 millivolts, 50 millivolts per division, 20. At 10 millivolts, you start to pick up a little bit of noise out here in the just floating around. And that's pretty common on all the scopes I have here, but you know, it's clean at 20 millivolts per division. Again, if we go back to the cal signal, DC couple, you know, it looks good. So this is what I'm seeing on my scope. Feel free to use that as a reference for yours. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.